Ah, Dracula, would you mind sharing with us now?
Do I really have to?
Yes, you do.
I mean, I don't even belong in this group. I mean, look at these guys. They're not even in the same realm as me. The ghost? Is he even there? I don't see him, do you? This world is just not the same. I'm old school, you know. And I was the big show. I used to hang out with Jack Nicholson. Boy, that guy can smoke some cocaine. The piles of cocaine that we just left in the clubs that night. Now all these computers and technologies.
And forensics.
And all this.
Yes.
What's a 547-year-old to do?
Looking good, my man.
Ah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, let me get a pic for the socials.
Absolutely.
Son of a bitch.
Now, can we do something about the shoes?
Shoes stay.
Okay, we'll work around them then.
And don't get me started on trying to put myself out there. I mean, this dating scene is absolutely brutal.
Yeah, ever since then, I've just been really into bears.
Hello.
And Pyro.
I see you're a person of the night as well.
Are you serious?
Are you into older men?
Creep, you literally have one tooth.
What are you drinking?
Bloody Mary.
My name's Mary. I love older men.